Did you know squirrels are nature's little Einsteins? These furry acrobats not only bury nuts for winter, but have a genius memory to locate them later. Here's the jaw-dropping part. They employ strategic deception. Squirrels sometimes fake burying nuts to throw off potential thieves. It's a tiny game of hide-and-seek in the forest. Envision a creature with a clever memory and a knack for trickery, navigating the treetops with a mix of intelligence and cunning. So, the next time you spot a squirrel, appreciate not just its bushy tail, but also the surprising smarts at play in the world of these nutty acrobats.